if I look about the web application firewall solutions, so you will be surprised that the most expensive firewall solution exists on the platform of Microsoft Azure. Even you will pay $3,000 per month for your services regarding the security, which you can avail by utilizing web application firewall. And if I talk about the DDoS attacks, so definitely you need to buy some kind of other services. And if I talk about the Amazon, so Amazon is taking hourly charges whenever we talk about the web application firewall. So in this scenario, what you consider, what kind of solutions you have? Now you realize that if you are going with the vendor specific certification, how much trouble you will be faced in the industry. And if you are trying to gain your experience on any specific vendor or any specific product or tool, again, you cannot design solution as per the client requirements. So you need to think out of box. You need to produce solutions for your clients out of box. And this kind of solutions you can only achieve by experiencing, by exploring, discovering, experimenting all the products, all the applications, and all the technologies available in the current IT world. And it's really simple whenever you understand the architecture. Now we go for the solution. What is the solution? So I'm facing board based attacks, I'm facing DDoS attacks, I have lots of DNS related issues, I have spywares, malwares, bot attack issues for my on-prem infrastructure, for my cloud infrastructure as well. Is there any solution available? Yes, of course, there is a productive solution available. And this solution, the surprising thing about this solution is that it's without any cost. It's free of cost available. You can just implement it, configure it, and protect your all infrastructure from all kinds of spywares, malwares, bot attacks, DDoS attacks, and all kinds of attacks which we generally face during the IT operations. And that tool is known as CloudFlare, and it's a cloud-based applications. So when we talk about the CloudFlare, it's a cloud computing technology. They are the service provider, but important thing about the CloudFlare is that it's completely focused about your security, about your end user security, about your virtual machines, physical servers, on-prem infrastructure, and the cloud infrastructure as well. So if you need security at every level, from data link layer to the application layer, so you need to adopt the CloudFlare. CloudFlare provide you free of cost CDN services, on behalf of which you can easily improve your web services performance, your infrastructure performance, because content on the basis of content delivery network, you can easily optimize your infrastructure services as well. The second important thing about the CloudFlare is that the DNS services are free of cost available. So if the lookup process for your website is less, so you can easily understand that your website, the performance of your website will be really improved. Now, the third thing is about the protection from the bot attacks, DDoS attacks, and that kind of stuff. So yes, absolutely, CloudFlare provide all these services without any cost. In the free plan, these all services are available without any cost. And even you can configure your customized access control list. You can configure the country-wide restrictions for your infrastructure as well. So I hope that you learn about the limitations of vendor specific theoretical concepts, vendor specific exposure and experience, and you also get an idea how to produce the solution. I hope you like this session. So just click the hit button, share and subscribe in your circle as well. If you have any questions, any queries regarding on-prem infrastructure, regarding hybrid cloud or cloud computing, so feel free to ask in the comment section and write back us via email. Thank you very much.